In this video, I am going to show you how to upload a video into Screencastify Editor that wasn't filmed in Screencastify Editor. So go up to your Screencastify Google extension. Then what you want to do is go over here to the 3 lines and it'll say My Recording Subscriptions Options and go to Editor. This will open up the Editor Unlimited for us on the links team. And then if there's another video in here that it wants you to export, you can either export and save it, or if it comes up blank like this is how you want it. Now you want to go to Add Clip over here on the blue plus. And so I can either add from my Google Drive or I can upload. So I could upload a video off of my desktop. So I have some here that I could upload. So let's just add instructional planning and open. Okay. If that wasn't the video that you wanted, you could just delete it. And let's say I want to add another one from my Google Drive. Here I can go to videos and I can see all of my videos. They'll say that they're crashed. It may look like that, but that's okay. Just pick one, pick whichever one you want. We could just do first module video and select. And that's how you add a video that you haven't just previously recorded into the editor.